An attempt to resolve one of South Africa's most divisive issues, unequal land ownership. A bill signed last month allows land considered to be in the public interest to be expropriated without compensation in some cases. But it's a step that's led US President Donald Trump to threaten to cut off all funding to the country.
The leadership is doing some terrible things, horrible things. So that's under investigation right now. We'll make a determination. And until such time as we find out what South Africa is doing, they're taking away land, they're confiscating land.
The South African government responded swiftly, saying no land's been confiscated.
And this is what this law is about, to transform on a balance, on a just and equitable basis. And we look forward to engagement with our US counterparts.
While the law makes it easier for the government to expropriate land, legal guidelines ensure the payment of fair market value and property owners can go to court. Some people are worried the new law will mean their land will be seized by the government. And the spat is playing out on social media platforms like X, where owner and US presidential advisor Elon Musk is accusing the South African government of racist policies. The minority white population owns 3/4 of farming land in South Africa, while black people, who make up 80% of the population, own 1/4.
The original land deal that gave 87% of the land to the whites and 13% to the majority was unjust and wrong, but that you find a way to compensate and to deal with the transition to, and one way is to focus on public land.
Previously, in a public address, President Cyril Ramaphosa told Trump to stay out of South Africa's plans for land reform. While the presidency says US aid to South Africa is not significant, Trump's latest comments have had an impact. As soon as Trump said he would cut off funding to South Africa, the local currency, the rand, weakened by more than 1%. Now, stocks and government bonds also took a slump. While there are also concerns existing tariff agreements with South Africa on exports to the US may be affected, President Ramaphosa said he's not worried about relations with the country. Fahmida, Al Jazeera, Johannesburg, South Africa.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.